Hi friends, today we will have a look at paper umbrella candlestick patterns. The paper umbrella candlestick patterns helps trader to take a decision in setting up a directional trades. So when I say it helps us in taking decision of directional trade, it does matter where this candle appear in the chart, and based on their appearance in the chart, the trading decision will change. So there are two types of paper umbrella candlestick. The first one is called hammer and the second one is called hanging man. Let's have a look to see how the formation happens. So here in my slide, the first candle that you see is a hammer candle. We can easily figure out that it has a small body and it has a long tail. A small wick in the upper section is acceptable. However, the classic definition says that there should not be a small top wick. Similarly, the second candle that you see is a hanging man candle. It again has a small real body and a long tail. A small wick here is also acceptable. Additionally, the hanging man pattern is a bearish pattern and the hammer pattern is also considered as a bullish pattern. And because both the candlestick have similar look and feel, sometimes it becomes confusing to identify which one is hammer and which one is a hanging man candlestick. So to clarify this, the paper umbrella that appears at the end of the downtrend rally, it is called the hammer, this one. And the paper umbrella that appears at the top of a uptrend is called a hanging man, or this one. There is also a golden rule that says the tail of the candle must be double or more than the body of the candle to qualify for a paper umbrella. Similarly, in hanging man as well, the tail must be double of the real body, double or more of the real body to qualify it as a hanging man paper umbrella candlestick pattern. So let's have a look at them one by one. So as I mentioned, the hammer candlestick is a bullish pattern and this will always appear at the end of the downtrend. To quantify that this is a hammer candlestick pattern, we must see at the tail. The longer the tail is, the more strong is the reversal sentiments. Similarly, the hanging man is considered as a bearish pattern and it will appear at the top of an uptrend. The longer the tail is, the more stronger the sentiment is that the market will reverse its uptrend and will start moving in a downward trends. Now let us understand how are these candle forms. So we'll talk one by one. Considering the formation of hammer, we are assuming that the market is in downtrend and every day when market opens, it makes a new low and closes. On the appearance of a hammer candle, the market opens at a new low. The bears try to move the price down, however, were not able to keep the price at a lower low, and we see that we have some buying interest returning back into the market, and that pushes the closing price up till here, and this is the reason why we see a long tail formation. Similarly, let's have a look at formation of hanging man. We will assume that the market was in uptrend. Every day when the market opens, it opens at a new high and closes at a new high. On the day when hanging man formation happened, the bulls as usual tried to push the prices higher. However, there was a lot of selling pressure in the market and we see that bears returning into the market and pushing the price all the way down up till here, and that is why we see a long tail. While we talk about hanging man, there is one question that remains open and kind of not really satisfying. When we say that the bears returned into control and they pushed the prices all the way down up till here, then the question that remains is, if the bear were so strong, why they were not able to keep the closing price somewhere around here? Because if we see, the bear tried to push the price below till here, but the bulls again gained the control and the final closing price was here. So this is a open question, but This is how the hanging man formation happens, and the hanging man formation signals a selling pressure in the market. So now that we have some understanding of both these candles, and we know that hammer is a bullish reversal candle and hanging man is a bearish reversal candle, let's jump into a chart and see if we can identify couple of hammers and hanging man and see if we would have taken a position depending on the theory, would it have been resulted in a profit or loss for us. So I have pulled the chart of Netflix Incorporation, and this is an hourly chart. As you can see from here, we'll start looking the chart from here. We see that the prices were declining every hour, and finally around here on 11th of August we see a formation of a hammer. So as mentioned in the theory, the preceding trend for hammer must be a downtrend, and hammer appears at the bottom of the chart. However, after the appearance of this hammer, the prices kept on declining, and we see the appearance of another hammer over here which has a really long shadow. And finally from here the prices started moving up. So as a thumb rule in the market, we never trade just based on one indicator. We apply a couple of indicators and then we take a position. So this was a nice formation of two hammer candlestick in this chart. Let's move on and find if we can see another such pattern. Okay friends, so the next chart that I have pulled is of Amazon.com. This is again an hourly chart. We start looking the chart from here. We see that every hour we have a decline in the price, and finally here we see the formation of a hammer. I will zoom it a little so that it becomes visible. So if you take a close look here, you see that this hammer has a small tail on the top of it, which is acceptable. However, the body is short and the lower wing or the lower tail is double or triple that of the body. As the theory says, the longer the tail is, the more strong is the trend reversal. Because this was a downtrend, after appearance of this hammer, we see the trend is getting reversed. We see a gap up opening, and then the prices rallied from there. So this was a nice example on an hourly chart of Amazon. Let's see a couple of examples for hanging man as well. The next chart that I have opened is of Bharti Airtel Limited. This is again an hourly chart. We will start looking the chart from here. We see that the market was in uptrend, and every hour the prices were opening at a higher highs and were closing at a higher highs. And finally here we see the appearance of a hanging man. So by the time the market reached here, we knew that a hanging man has appeared, and that is a signal of trend reversal. In this case it was an uptrend. So we will wait for a couple of trading sessions and we will see how market behaves. We see appearance of doji, and then from here the market started moving in a downtrend. If we give a closer look at this hanging man, we see the opening price is 608.35 and the closing price is 615.30, and because the closing price is higher than the opening price, that is why this candle is a green candle. However, if we take at the low price, it is 599.45, and that is why we see a long shadow which is almost double the body, and that is why we can consider this as a hanging man candlestick pattern. Let's have a look at another example. I have pulled the chart for Welspun India, and we are looking at an hourly chart. We will start looking at the chart from here. We see that the prices were moving up, and on the top here we see the appearance of a hanging man, which has a real small body and a long tail. And here we knew that the market emotions are changing, or the market sentiments are changing, and the bears are taking the control of the market by looking into this long tail. Just after the appearance of hanging man, the next candlestick suggests that the bears have taken the control, and we can go for a short position here. After that, we see that there is a sharp decline in the prices. So friends, these were some examples of paper umbrella candlestick chart patterns. These are the chart patterns where we take decision based on the prior trend in the price. If the trend is downtrend, then we are looking for a hammer candlestick. If the trend is uptrend, then we are looking for a hanging man candlestick chart pattern. So I think that pretty much we wanted to cover on hanging man and hammer candlestick pattern. We have more videos coming in, so I will request you to like and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.